You're listening to BambinoBabble's Bedtime Fairy Tale. Once upon a time, there was a magical rainbow forest. It was full of bright colors, and the animals that lived there were all so happy. One day, a little fox named Bennie was exploring the forest when he stumbled upon an old tree. The tree was so tall that Bennie couldn't see the top. He wondered what was up there, and decided to climb the tree to take a look. Bennie climbed the tree, and when he reached the top, he was amazed. There was a beautiful rainbow bridge that connected the tree to the sky. As Bennie crossed the bridge, he felt a magical feeling, like he was being taken to a new world. When Bennie reached the other side, he found himself in a magical kingdom full of all kinds of creatures. There were unicorns, fairies, dragons, and more. Bennie was so excited, he couldn't believe it. Bennie explored the kingdom, and he met some amazing new friends. He also learned all kinds of cool things like how to fly and turn invisible. Bennie loved his new home and he decided to stay there forever. But one day, Bennie's friends noticed something strange. The sky was turning dark and the rainbow bridge was beginning to fade. Bennie knew he had to do something, so he gathered all his new friends and they set out to find the source of the darkness. After a long journey, they finally reached a dark castle. Inside the castle was an evil queen who had cast a spell on the kingdom to make it dark and dreary. She wanted to take over the rainbow forest and turn it into her own kingdom. Bennie and his friends knew they had to do something fast. They came up with a plan to defeat the evil queen and save the rainbow forest. With the help of a magical sword, they were able to break the queen's spell and bring back the light to the kingdom. Bennie and his friends were so happy that they saved the rainbow forest. The creatures of the kingdom celebrated with a big feast and Bennie was crowned king of the rainbow forest. Bennie and his friends lived happily ever after in the rainbow forest. They explored the kingdom, made new friends, and created lots of wonderful memories together. The end.